Hello friends, now we will solve another problem of an pyramid who is having diameter equals to 30 mm and height as an 60 mm. Okay, so this is a basic problem that we are going to solve now. So for that purpose, what we are going to draw, the first is the circle one, which is nothing but the base of an cone. Okay, so diameter is 31 that we are going to draw. Okay, this diameter we have drawn, which is the equals to 31. The base is what we are going to draw like this, and then this is what is given as axis height. Okay, not the generator height. So this is what is the axis height. So that axis height we will mark, or we will measure along this particular axis. Then we will mark this point, and then we will join this end generators. Okay, then if this is a plain problem, then no need to give the naming and all other part, but dimensioning you must do. So for that purpose, this dimension line I am going to draw. This is what is nothing but the diameter of 30, and then axis height is given. So for axis height, this line parallel to axis that you are going to draw, and this axis height is nothing but the 60 mm. Okay, now the exact development, how we can draw it. Okay, so a line which is parallel to this is what you will draw. Then a line which is parallel to this slant line that you are going to draw over here like this. Okay, so the length of this line will be exactly equal to the length of this slant line, and these are the parallel lines. Okay, then a line you need to draw, or from this, keeping this point as center and this much as radius, draw an arc like this, which will be the front one, isn't it? This arc will be the front arc. Then a theta angle needs to be found, theta, which is equals to R divided by L into 360 degrees. Okay, now here what is this R? So in this particular case, R will be this is what is the R. Here we will draw R is equal to, okay, then L will be equals to this slant length. Whatever this slant length will be, that will be nothing but the length L. And if we multiply its ratio by 360, then some theta value we are going to get. Say for example 120 degree. Say for example we have got this theta as 120 degree. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to draw a point which is at 120 degree from this particular line. Okay, and then we will extend this line till this particular curve, and this curve will be darkened one, isn't it? And this is what will be the development of an cone. Understood? So only this much part you need to draw. Okay, additional part, what is there in the additional part, that we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.